Whether you're working on a brand, showcasing your designs, or just want to make your project look professional, mockups are the way to go. All right, let's begin designing our mockup. First, go to Canva now. Click on Create a Design in the top right corner. Choose the size or format you want for your design. Once your blank canvas is ready, go to the left panel and click on Elements. In the search bar, type Education if your mockup is related to educational content. You can search for any theme like business, technology, fashion, etc. Browse and pick the elements that match your topic. Now it's time to add your main image or logo. Go to the Upload section and upload the image you want to use. Once uploaded, drag it onto the canvas. You can also crop, add filters, adjust brightness, or use Canva's background remover if needed. Position the image where it looks best on your design. Click on the text option from the left menu. Choose from headings, subheadings, or body text. Type in your title, tagline, or any information you want to display. Customize the font, size, color, alignment, and spacing. Make sure it looks clean, readable, and well balanced. Looks good, give it a final check. Adjust spacing, align elements, and preview the design. When you're satisfied, click the Share button on the top right corner, then choose Download. Select the file format. Usually PNG or JPEG works best for mockups. After downloading, stay on the same Canva project and click Add Page at the bottom. This will give you a fresh page to insert your mockup. Now here comes the fun part. On the left sidebar, scroll all the way down and click on Apps. In the search bar, type Smartmockups or just Mockups. Click to open it. You'll find tons of mockup templates. Once you've selected a mockup, click on it. Now, Canva will ask you to select the image you want to insert. Choose the one you designed earlier. It will automatically place your design inside the mockup frame, like magic. You can resize or reposition the mockup on your canvas. If you need more mockups for different items, just repeat the same process. Your mockup is ready.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.